Rebuilding Together Nashville helps with home ownership and neighborhood stability because long-term residents are being priced out. And so instead of having to move because they can't afford the repairs, they're able to make the repairs they need to be able to age in place. So Rebuilding Together Nashville helps people make the repairs that are critical for them to stay in their homes and not just stay there, but enjoy living there, have a safe, comfortable home, can invite family over, and just improve the quality of life.
From the first day I started working with Rebuilding Together Nashville, one thing that really struck me is just the intention in their process, in their mission, and in their values. And I think that's the foundation of how they really reach and make the profound impact that they've had in communities and individuals' lives. As a nursing instructor, we want to bring students in to teach them to provide patient-centered care, to meet people where they're at, and consider the whole picture of their lives, both on an individual and a community level. And Rebuilding Together Nashville does that. It's what they do. They have such a community-focused model, and with the intention of the outreach they've done, the trust and rapport they've built in communities, just with time and effort and intention, that really is the magic, I think, of how they've been able to not just change individual lives, but really try to make impact on a larger scale in community too.
We want everybody that needs help to be able to reach out to us. We come across everybody, every type of neighbor, and sometimes you'll go into a situation where you know that the work that we got to do, it's not going to be comfortable for the homeowner, but it's going to make a huge difference in their life and in their safety and in their health. You go into their lives and you ask them to trust you to be able to come in and make a difference, make changes through a bunch of noise and debris and uncomfortable days, probably. And then in the end, they get to see that, everything's put back together in one piece. And I think you get like a real friendship out of that. Like they're my neighbors and they're going to be my neighbors, and they know that we're not going away.
The community has been really responsive to Rebuilding Together's work. We have great staff people who go out and really make these one-on-one connections with homeowners. Having those conversations and that transparency up front of really trying to explain the process. And that's, been a really important ethos for us, is to be able to lead with our work. We're able to really put the needs of our homeowners at the forefront of everything that we do and be able to do these really kind of critical, safe and healthy home repairs that keep them safe and healthy in their homes. If we do really strong quality work, then it kind of speaks for itself.